Okay, so this is my Z Fold 3. I am now using Dual Launcher Z instead of Nova Launcher. Biggest reason is I like the transitions better. So if you see the transitions, see that? If you long press on it, I can go edit. If I go to, oops, if let's get rid of that. Delete. Long press, edits, effects. So here, if you go there, it shows you how the transitions will look. This one's like a card flip. This one is like checkered. That's pretty cool. See? There's the sphere. This one's like a snake. See, there's all kinds. This one's like a card flip. This one's a slides. This one's like a book. Cylinder. I also like that one. I really like that one. This one is slides. It fades in, fades out. This one's like a triangle. This one slides also. This one. What else is there? There's the windmill. There's so many different transitions. It's cool. Then you can even go random. They got new ones. I don't know what's new. Oh, the screen. Oh, that's cool. Let's try that. For menus, I'll do that one. That's cool. For the app drawer, you can also change that. So right now I have it set to that. See, you can change it. That one turns. So I had it set to here, so I'll just leave that there. So if I click a menu, that's how that goes. So let's go back to effects. Let's go back to, and the one I like is, let's go with the cylinder. I've always liked the cylinder. There, see? Also the dock, I put 3 of them, so my main dock would be this one here. Then drone stuff, different apps for running the drone, and then on this side it's all my video editing and picture editing, stuff like that. So that's pretty cool. If I swipe down, it brings the menu up. You can set all this in the settings for the swipe gestures. Swipe up, pulls all that up. See, here's that transition. You can also set the wallpaper in the background, obviously. Click back to the home. Weather widget. If I click that, click any of the numbers. You can go to your alarms, your stopwatches, your whatever. If you click the weather right in the middle, it pulls up your weather for you. Google search bar. This icon on the left looks like a flashlight. I have it set to strobe, so the flash on the camera will actually strobe. On the far right here, I have a reset, so that fast reboot performs, so it basically clears out all your RAM and stuff like that. What else do I have? That's about it. And then you have these widgets, obviously. Here, click that, it goes right into your app. And this is the background. It's called Clock Tower on the background. The live wallpaper, that's what that is. And I also have it set for double tap. I'm gonna double tap now. This is the end of what I really wanted to show anyway. So if I double tap, there's also a transition there where it goes to like an old school TV where it's like the screen blinks out, it gets fuzzy, and then you just get a line. So this is the end of the video, so I'm going to double tap right now and you'll see it.